Hi guys, a very good morning everyone. Welcome to Om Institute, and yes, this is the next practice session on the GENCO. The next Sunday 14th of July is your GENCO examination finally, and with respect to that, yes, we are taking up all the technical and as well as general aptitude sessions. Yesterday we had the practice session on signal and system. One more practice session on signal and system will be there tomorrow, Monday. That is at the 6 p.m. So very good morning everyone. Just quickly confirm me the audio and video. Hope that is fine.
Signal and system. One more practice session on signal and system will be there.
Yes. So keep confirming with the audio and video if everything is good for you, dear. So that let's get started with the rapid fire question round of the general aptitude. The rapid fire question practice round for the general aptitude for the upcoming GENCO examination. In line with that. Yes. Okay. Let me also see it once again.
Rapid fire question.
Okay, dear. All right. So let's get started. Let's get moving ahead.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, dear. So this is a regular brief intro about me. You're aware about that. So guys, again with the GENCO examination, the Om Institute has presented to you the free online test series, okay, for 2 full mock tests. One was successfully conducted with huge response on 23rd of June, and now you have the next, that is just today, okay, the test which will be live at 1 p.m. okay, on today 7th of July. So yes, you can just scan this QR code for the free registration. It is a free test. Okay, so next Sunday you're going to appear in the actual GENCO examination and just get the feel of the paper, okay, 1 week before the actual examination, and see where you are lagging, how much you are scoring, where else you can improve. Okay, do not forget to register. It's a free online test for all of you. Okay, so let's get moving ahead, guys. The first question for the day, as is a question practice, rapid fire question practice round. Let's keep taking the question and keep solving them one by one. Yes, starting with a simple one, of course. A mother is twice as old as her son. If 20 years ago, so right now mother is twice as old as her son. This is what is the, of course, present situation. Mother is twice as old as son. So let's mother's age be M and son's age be S. Now 20 years ago. Okay, now whenever you go back 20 years ago or 20 years later, okay, the age like 20 years ago for both the persons, will reduce by 20. Okay, the age of the mother was 10 times the age of son. So 20 years ago, what should be the age of mother? M minus 20. What should be the age of son? S minus 20. Okay, this was 10 times the age of the son. This was the 10 times the age of the son. Okay, so we have another relation between M and S. What is the present age of mother? Okay, so since we are looking mothers, let us replace the S. M minus 20 will be equal to 10S minus 200. Or I can say that M minus 20 is equal to 10S. What is the S? Will be M by 2. This becomes 5M. So 5 minus 1, 4. 4M. And on the other side, 200 minus 120 will be 180. The M clearly becomes 45. What is the mother's age? Option number D, 45 years. Okay, option number D is the very correct answer. Right. Okay. With this, let's be ready for the next question. A 60-liter mixture of milk and water contains 10% water. Okay, so out of 60, 10% means 6 liters of water. Okay, it's a basic percentage question. Rather, it's not a mixture-based question. It looks like a mixture-based question. See, a 60-liter mixture of milk and water, okay, contains 10% water. Okay, so now how much is milk, how much is water? 10%. So now 10% is 10 by 100 of 60, and that is of course 6. Okay, so 6 liter is water and the remaining 54 liter is milk. This is what is the data mentioned first of all. Okay, next, how much water must be added to make the water 20% is the mixture? Okay, let's suppose you add X liters of water. Okay, so that water becomes X plus 6, but you are not adding any milk. Okay, but because you have added water or milk, anything, if you add any of this, the total quantity also increases. So I have added X liters of water, so total quantity becomes X plus 6, milk doesn't change, and water quantity is x plus 6. Now how much such water should be added so that the water content now is 20%? Okay, is now 20%. That means this 6 plus x should be 20% of the total, that is 60 plus x. Okay, so let's solve it up. Okay, let's solve it up. So this 6 plus x, 20%, like 20 by 100 of 60 plus x. Okay, 20 by 100 cancelled as 5. Okay, 5 into 6 plus x is 60 plus x. A simple equation again. 30 plus 5x is 60 plus x. The value of 4x becomes 30. Right? Correct. The 4x is equal to 30 and x is equal to 7.5 then. Okay, 7.5. Correct answer is B. How much water should be added? It is 7.5 liters of water to be added here. The 7.5 liters of water to be added here.
The value of 4x becomes...
Yes. Next one. A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days and B can do the same job in 12 days with the help of C that did the job in 4 days only. Then alone C can do the job in how many days? Okay. Yes, because Vihar's correct answer for the previous one. That's option number B. A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days. Okay, so now what is the efficiency of A? Now how do I define efficiency? Okay, how do I define efficiency of any person? Efficiency is simply defined as the work done by a person, okay, per unit time. Work done per unit time. Okay, so what is the unit in this question? The unit in this question is days. Okay, so here what will be my efficiency? Okay, suppose A's efficiency. So as I told you, efficiency is work done per unit time. A is able to complete the work in 16 days. Or suppose, let me take a simple picture. Okay, if a person A can do the complete work. Suppose a person A can do complete work in suppose 2 days. Okay, how much is the work done per day? How much is the work done per day? Total work in 2 days. So in 1 day, it is 50%, of course. For total he needs 2 days. So 1 day he has done with the half of the work. Okay. Or we can say half of the work. Okay, let's assume the work has 1 unit. So the work done is 1 by 2. Okay, 50% or half. That is a simple logic. So now A can complete the work in 16 days. So what is the efficiency? Total work in 16 days. So how much in 1 day? 1 by 16. Every day he will do 1 by 16, 1 by 16, 1 by 16 contribution. Like that in 16 days he will finish the work. Okay, so 1 by 16. Okay. And similarly B can do the same job in 12 days. What is the B's efficiency? 1 by 12. Okay, with the help of C that did the job together in 4 days. Okay, then C alone can do. Okay, let us say the C alone can do the job. Let us say C alone can do the job in suppose n days. That is what I need to find. Let's say the C alone can do the job in n days. Okay. So yes, Chinna and Vihas, we have 2 answers for this question. Option number C coming up. Let's check it out. So C alone can do the job in n days. So then what is the efficiency of C? Total work is done in n days. So in every 1 day, 1 upon n, 1 by n work will be done. Okay, now they with the help of C that did the job together. Okay, when they do together, I write down the A plus B plus C's net efficiency. Okay, now because they do together, idea is, okay, every single day A will also work, B will also work, C will also work. So every single day their work is combined. Okay, and work done per day is what is the efficiency. So A plus B plus C net efficiency means 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by n. This is the work. This is like work in 1 day. This is the work done by them in 1 day. Okay, that is what is efficiency. Combined efficiency. Okay, Jagdish says answer A. Let's check it out. So this is how much. Okay, now they have done the complete job in 4 days. Okay, now if they have done the complete job in 4 days, dear, what should be their net efficiency according to this data? If a person is able to do a work in 4 days, his net efficiency is 1 by 4. Now combined, they have worked together and they have completed the work in 4 days. So in every one single day together, they are doing 1/4 of the work. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, work finished. Okay, that means this equation 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by n equal to the net efficiency, which should be equal to 1 by 4. So efficiency is just the reciprocal of time taken, you can say simple. This was the idea, and now simply it is equal to 1 upon the time taken by the person. Okay, so from here we can evaluate the value of n. 1 upon n is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 12. Okay, this becomes the LCM of 48. Okay, then this should be 12 and 4. Sorry, this is 3 and this is 4. Correct? So this becomes 7 and 12 minus 7, 5 by 48. This is the value of 1 by n. Okay, dear. So if 1 by n is how much? 5 by 48. So the value of n is 48 by 5, 9.6 or 93 by 5. 93 by 5. Correct answer is option number C. Yes, very correct answer. Chinna and Vihas. Correct answer. Option number C is very correct. The option number C is.
So the value of n is 48 by 5.
Done. Let's move ahead to the next question then. Let's move ahead to the next question. Here it is. 15 men can reap the crops of a field in 28 days. In how many days will 5 men reap it? Okay, the simple concept here. Work is proportional to men as well as the work is proportional to time. More men will do more work. Simple logic. More men will do more work, and if you give more time, you are able to do more work. It is proportional to both men and time. Okay, and work is proportional to, because it is proportional to both men and time, we also write down it is proportional to men into time. Okay. So more work will do, now if the same work is to be done, okay, by different men and different time, okay, the work is like the product of men and time. Okay, so we can take what? Men and time, yeah, men and days. Okay, M1 D1 should be equal to M2 D2. Simple logic. Because now the same work, okay, what is the work? To reap the crops. Okay, earlier 15 men are there, but now if I reduce the men, of course, simple logic. Now if I reduce the men, I have to increase the time. Same work, if I do by less labor, time will be more. Simple logic. Okay, so in the first situation, 15 men, they are able to do the job in 28 days. Now the number of men are reduced to 1/3, so time will increase by 3 times. Okay, D2. What is the value of D2? It will be equal to 15 by 5 cancelled as 3, 28, 3. 3 times time will be taken, and that is 84. Correct answer is option number C. Simple one. Men into days. Okay. Okay. Yes, quant apt, if you watch other videos of my time and work, you will feel that LCM is a waste of time. Okay, so once you don't know, please, don't come up with unnecessary comment if you are just a beginner. If you watch my complete videos on time and work, then you will feel how waste is the LCM concept. Okay, and how quick is the efficiency concept if you have to handle all variety of question. Okay, you may be one of them who is able to only handle direct question with LCM. Okay, but if you have to handle all variety of question, you should know efficiency. If you don't know efficiency, you don't know time and work chapter. Okay, you only know LCM, you only play with LCM. Okay, you don't know what time and work method is if you don't know the efficiency. Okay, next one. Correct. Find logarithm of 256 to the base 2 root 2. Tell me. Logarithm of 256 to the base 2 root 2. Okay, so these questions can also be there in GENCO because you don't have the calculator, so such questions can be there. The question is log of 256 to the base of 2 root 2. Okay, log of 256 to the base of 2 root 2. Come on, tell me. So, see, first of all, log of 256 to the base 2 root 2. Okay, first of all, both can be written in the 2 power, and also log of b to any base a can also be written as log b upon log a. Let us use this property, so I can write down this as log of 256 divided by log of 2 root 2. This is what can be written. Okay. Now, log of 256. 256 is 2 power 8 clearly. And 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Okay, 2 and power half. So this is 2 power 3 by 2. Okay, now power can come outside. So numerator becomes 8 log 2. Denominator is 3 by 2 log 2. Log 2 cancelled. Your answer is 8 upon 3 by 2. 2 goes above. Your answer should be 16 by 3. Your answer should be option number C, 16 by 3. Correct answer, Chinna. It is a 16 by 3. Very correct answer. 16 by 3 is the very correct answer. Okay, next one. Let's move ahead to the next question. If log 2 to the base 3, log of 2 power x minus 5 to the base 3 and log of 2 power x minus 7 by 2 again to the base 3, all are base 3, they are in AP, then what is the value of x? Now dear, okay, three numbers are in AP if they have some common difference, or specifically if the three numbers are in AP, like A, B, C are in AP, then B is known as the arithmetic mean of A and C. And what is the arithmetic mean of A and C? Is A plus C divided by 2. You can directly use this, or you can take common difference method. Okay, but if only three numbers are there, na? Okay, three numbers are in AP, the central number is the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is the basic simple average, A plus C by 2. Okay, so this means that log of 2 power x minus 5 to the base 3 should be equal to A plus C divided by 2. Okay, that is log of 2. Okay, log of 2 की power x minus 7 by 2 divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2. This is what you have to solve. Okay, let me shift the 2 on the left side. So 2 log of 3 2 power x minus 5 equal to, now log a plus log b can be written as log of a by log of a into b. Okay, and this number outside the log, if you take it inside, it can become the power. It can become the power. So what can I do? I can remove the 2 from here and I am writing it as square here. Okay, I am writing it as square. Then you can cancel the log and log and you can only compare the number. Also, to get the equation, to solve the equation, what you can do is, okay, what you can do is set, let's say that 2 power x is y. You will get an equation. Now this is y minus 5 whole square equal to 2 of y minus 7 by 2. Okay, so that is y square plus 25 minus 10y. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 2y minus 7. 2y minus of 7. Okay, so just we need to solve this equation. So y square minus 12y and this becomes here 32. Okay, clearly we can factorize and break it into 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, 4 into 8 is 32. Okay, so solving this y, which is equal to 2 power x, will be equal to how much? As I told you, 4 and 8. Okay, or you can solve by the quadratic formula. Okay, now 2 power x is 4 and 8, so what is x? Okay, 4 and 8, 4 is 2 square, 8 is 2 cube. Okay, so if you compare that way, x is either 2, x is either 2 or 3. X is either the 2 or 3. Now whether 2 or 3, okay, because we have to match only one option. Whether 2 or 3, see, if you put x equal to 2, okay dear, let me put it here. If you put x equal to 2, okay, look into this number, 2 power x minus 5 becomes negative. Even the next number will be negative, and log of negative numbers is not defined. Log of negative numbers is not defined. Okay, log of negative numbers is not defined. Okay, so this x equal to 2 is the wrong answer. Correct answer will be x equal to 3. 2 will be wrong. The answer will be option number B, 3. Correct. Yes, Chinna, you can do that as well. Okay, so correct answer is option number B.
Log of negative.
Correct answer is option number B. Okay, that is the 3. The value of x will be equal to 3. Next question. Let's be ready with the next question now. Okay. What is the sum of all 3-digit numbers that leave a remainder of 2 when divided by 3? Remainder of 2 when divided by 3. Okay. And all 3-digit numbers, you have to think about all 3-digit numbers that will have a remainder of 2 when divided by 3. Okay. It should be a 3-digit number. Okay. It should leave a remainder of 2. Suppose, what is the first 3-digit number? 100. When you divide by 3, 99 is divisible, remainder will be 1. Okay, next 3-digit number 101. Yes, 101 divided by 3, 99 is divisible by 3, extra part remainder is 2. And then next number, of course, 102 if you take it, that is itself divisible by 3. Okay, so the first possible number is 101. Now all such 3-digit numbers that will leave a remainder of 2. Okay, because you are talking about divide by 3, okay, when divided by 3, so next number would be 104. Okay, so what are the numbers? Because only I am talking about divide by 3. Next 102 is divisible by 3. Again you have to go to 103, remainder 1. 104, remainder 2. So 101, then 104. Similarly, next is 107. Next is 110, etc. Now all 3-digit numbers. Okay. Now what is the last 3-digit number, dear? 999. But this is divisible by 3. 999 is divisible by 3. Come back. If you write down 998, so 996 will be divisible. Now let me write down both of them. 999 is divisible. 996 is divisible. Okay, so 998. So here I should write 995. 996 to divisible. 995, 998. All these numbers are okay. Those which will leave a remainder of 2. Which will leave a remainder of 2, just like 101. Okay. Now what is the sum of all of these numbers? So clearly between every two number there is a common difference. There is a difference of 3. That is why we call it as a common difference. Between every two numbers there is a difference which is equal to 3 units. Okay, so this is basically the case of AP with the common difference of 3. Okay, and the first term is equal to 101. Number of terms of course is unknown. Okay, number of terms is unknown. Okay, let me tell you how many number of terms. So what is the formula for nth term of AP? Nth term is given by a plus n minus 1. A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, what is the nth? Nth means last term is 998. Okay, that is equal to first term 101 plus n minus 1 into the common difference which is 3. Okay, so when I solve it, thrice of n minus 1 is equal to, this is 897. Okay, so what is n minus 1? When you divide by 3, this is going to be how much? 2 and 6. Just a second. Yes, this is 2 and this is 6. 998. So 898, 897, correct. And then when I divide, it is perfect 299. Sorry, it is 299, perfect. N minus 1. So what is n? N, 300. There are 300 terms. Now what is the sum to n terms? Question is actually on sum. Okay, what is the sum to n terms? Sum to n terms for AP, sum to n terms for the AP is given by n by 2, a plus an. The first term, which I simply called as a plus an. We can also call it as a1. A1 is simply a here. Okay, and then the answer is 300 divide by 2. First term 101, the last term 998. But to use this formula, I should know number of terms which I have calculated here. And then I am putting the value. So this is 150 is multiplied by 101 plus 998. Perfect. Okay. So this is 1099. Let me give you the answer directly. Once we multiply, what is the answer going to be? Once we multiply, what is the answer going to be? 164,850. This is going to be 164,850. 164,850. Correct answer is option number B.
Once we multiply, what is the answer going to be?
Okay.
B.
That is the correct answer. Just a moment. Yes. Okay, so hope the previous one is clear to you. Just check out the previous one. Hope that is clear to you. Okay, let's move ahead to the next question then. Here it is. Okay.
Yes. Okay, so hope the previous one is clear to you. Just check out the previous one. Hope that is clear to you. Okay, let's move ahead to the next question then. Here.
Yeah. Just was trying to confirm the audio. Hope that is fine. In what ways the letters of the word rumor can be arranged? Okay. In how many ways the letters of the word rumor can be arranged? Now these are how many letters? These are actually 6 letters. If there were 6 distinct letters, the number of arrangement of 6 objects is 6 factorial. The number of arrangements of 6 objects is basic 6 factorial. But here, is there any repetition? Yes, there is a letter U, okay, which is coming 2 times. Not only U, there is a letter R also which is coming 2 times. Okay, so for repetition we have to divide. Okay, that is the pattern of solving. So how many repetition? U 2 times, so 2 factorial. R also 2 times, so 2 factorial. Okay, M is once, O is once. That's not a problem. So 6 factorial 720, 2 factorial is 2 and 2. Okay, so this is how much? Then it should be 180. The correct answer is 180, option number A. Correct answer straight away 180, option number A. A basic arrangement question. If they were all 6 distinct letters, okay, so like suppose if I take my name, if I write down Rakesh, okay, so you have 6 distinct letters. Okay, then you have the 6 distinct letters, no repetition. Then the answer is simply 6 factorial. Then the answer is simply 6 factorial. Okay, that is 720. Okay, if there is repetition, so whatever, how many times it is repeated, divide by the factorial of that number. Divide by the factorial of that number. Okay, next question. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? How many words of the 3 consonants and 2 vowels?
So whatever, how many times it is repeated, divide by the factorial.
There is some noise glitch. Just allow me a minute. Take this question, dear.
Just allow me a minute. Take this question here.
Okay, let me try once again. I think there is some glitch that has come up.
Just allow me a minute. Take this question here. Okay, let me try once again. I think there is some glitch that has.
I think looks good now. Okay. Oh, great to know. Congratulations, Chinna. God bless you. Keep learning and keep going ahead with this, same pace and conquer more in life. Now, how many words of 3 consonants? So, out of 7 consonants, simple case, I need to select any 3 consonants. So, in how many ways I can select 3 consonants out of 7? It is a selection question. Okay. How many ways I can select 3 consonants out of 7? First, listen. How many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? Okay. Now, there are 2 ways of approaching this. Okay. There are 2 ways of approaching this. How many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? If you just select here. Okay. Now, next will be 4C2. Next will be 4C2. So should I only use selection here? See, the point is if you use selection here, okay, then I can do the correction or I will tell you direct also. See, if you use the selection, I have first selected 3 consonants and then I have used 2 vowels. How much does it become? Okay, this becomes, let me do first. Okay, so 7C3, 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4C3, which is 4C2, 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. Okay, this is 2, 3, 6 cancel 35. And this is 6, 35 into 6, this is clearly how much? 210. Okay, now the answers are big. Very simple logic. Okay, very simple logic. You have only selected, but I want to talk about words. Okay, now words, when you, in a word, whenever you even, jumble 2 letters, the word will change, the meaning will change. Okay, so word requires arrangement. Word will require arrangement. Okay, now you have 3 consonant and 2 vowels with you. You have 3 consonants and 2 vowels with you. That is total 5 letters. Okay, arrangement. Okay, arrangement of how many? Arrangement of 5 letters. Arrangement of 5 letters. How many ways you can arrange 5 letters, dear? It is 5 factorial. That is known as 120. That is known as 120. So what should be my answer? My answer should be 210 is multiplied by 120. Let us see what is the result of this multiplication. That is 25,200. That is known as 25,200. So my answer is option number B. My correct answer is option number B. My correct answer is option number B. Let me check this once again. Yeah, this is good. Okay, correct answer 25 200. Yes. Next question then. The next question. Again, some arrangements and selection. Maybe in what ways the letters of the word cricket be arranged? Okay, to form different new words. Okay, so that the vowels always come together. Okay, so that the vowels always come together. So what are the vowels? I and E. These are the two vowels. Okay, I and E. Okay, they should come together. Then you have CR. What else is left? CR, CKT. Then we have the CR, CKT. Okay, CR, CKT. Okay, so actually vowels should come together. That means wherever they go, I don't say beginning. They can be in the beginning, they can be second and the middle and in the last, anywhere. But this I and E, this should be a one unit. Okay, they should be together. So let me call it as 1 unit. Okay, so total, if this is 1 unit, then there are 5 other letters. So I will have 6 units. Now dear, in how many ways you can arrange 6 units? In how many ways you can arrange 6 units? 6 factorial. But out of the 6 units, C and C is repeated. There is only one letter repeated twice. So as I told you in the previous question also, divide by the repetition number, divide by 2 factorial. But next, I and E are taken as 1 unit. But I did not say that I and E, I should come first. They should be together. Maybe IE or maybe EI. There are 2 ways. Okay, maybe IE, maybe EI. So in how many ways you can arrange two letters? It is 2 factorial, which is basically 2. The arrangement, of IE. The arrangement of IE basically. Okay, so now your answer is 2 factorial cancelled. Answer will be 6 factorial, that is 720. Correct answer is option number C. Okay, correct answer is option number C. Okay, option number C. No, 720 only, just check it out. Chinna and Saideep, it's not 120. Okay, it's not 120. Please check it out once again. Please check that out once again. Okay, so that the vowels always come together. Correct. Okay. Yeah, please check it out once again, and if there is any confusion, let me know. The correct answer is 720. Yes, Ashok. We'll try to plan definitely. But tomorrow, first signals part 2 will be there. Tomorrow, Monday, 6 p.m. signals part number 2. Next, the surface area of a cube is 600 centimeters square. Okay, what is the length of the diagonal? The surface area of a cube. What is the formula for surface area of a cube? 6a square. Okay, 6a square. Okay, that is given to you as 600. A square. A is the side of the cube. A equal to the length of the side of the cube. So A square is 100 and A, the side is 10 centimeter. What is the length of diagonal? The diagonal of a cube is given by A root 3 or root 3A. So what is the value of A? 10. So answer is 10 root 3. Okay. Direct fundamental figure question. So need not draw anything. You can just answer. Answer is C. The diagonal of a cube is given by root 3A. Okay. Next question. A hall is 15 meter long and 20 meter broad. Okay. 15 meter long and 20 meter broad. Okay. If the sum of the areas of the floor and the ceiling, okay, is equal to the sum of the areas of other 4 walls. Okay, now hall, let's understand this, which will definitely look like a cuboidal. The hall will definitely look like a cuboidal. Okay. Okay, where this is what is my floor and this is what is my ceiling, and these are the 4 walls. W1, W2, okay, left, right, front, W3, back, W4. These are the 4 walls. Now what is given is, a hall is 15 meter long and 20 meter broad. Height is not mentioned, but it is 15 meter long. Okay, so let's take this is 15 and it is 12 meter broad, correct? 12 meter broad. Okay, the broadness, the width is 12 meter. The length of the hall is 15 meter. Okay, and let's say this is the height, which is definitely not given, but some other data is given. Okay, now if the sum of the areas, okay, of the floor and the ceiling is equal to the sum of the areas of the 4 walls. Okay, area of wall 1, area of wall 2, area of wall number 3, area of wall number 4. Now what is the area of floor, dear? Have a look into it. What is the area of floor? That is known to us. Every side is a rectangle. So area of the floor is, base into height, length into breadth, so 15 into 12. I can use here 15 into 12. What is the area of the ceiling? Okay, same, parallel. These two are parallel, so same. So 15 into 12. 15 into 12 and whole multiplied by 2. Okay, now equal to area of the wall 1. Okay, now 1 and 2 again parallel. 1 and 2 again parallel. Okay, they will have the same area. Okay, so twice, and then 3 and 4. This 3 and 4, front and back, front wall and back wall, they are also parallel, so they'll have the equal area. Okay, so twice of this one. Now let us see. Okay, for this W1, what should be the area? Height and 12, h into 12. Okay, h into 12. For the next one, that is the W3 and W4. Okay, W3, the front one only you see. The dimensions are h with 15. H and 15. Okay, so h into 15. So actually this factor 2 is cancelled. 15 into 12, 180. Okay, is equal to 12 plus 15, 27h. Okay, 27h. We get the value of h, and then what is the volume? Okay, what is the value of h? 180 is divided by the 27, or if I cancel with the 9, probably, so it is 20 by 3. Okay, the height is 20 by 3. Now what is the volume? Volume of the cuboid, it's a cuboid, na? The volume of the cuboid is product of the three sides, A, B, C. Okay, product of the three dimensions. So 15 into 12 into the height 20 by 3. Okay, so this looks like how much? Cancelled as 4. 15 for the 60. 60 into 20, so 1200. 1200. The correct answer is option number C. 1200. Yes, very good, Saideep and Ashok. Correct answer is C. Chinna, correct answer C. Yes, C is the correct answer. Okay, 1200 is the very correct answer. Let's move ahead to the next question here. Okay, the correct answer is option number C, 1200. Correct answer being option number C, that is the 1200. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question here. Okay, so here it is. A right triangle with the sides 3, 4 and 5 is rotated along the side of 3 centimeter to form a cone. Okay, is rotated along the side of, okay, let's again understand this with the picture. So first let me take a right angle triangle. Okay, there is some right angle triangle. Okay, having the dimensions 3, 4 and this is the hypotenuse, under root 3 square plus 4 square, which will be 5. That is the longest side. It is rotated along the side of 3 centimeter. Okay, to form a cone. Okay, so when you rotate along this side, okay, when you rotate along this side, the entire picture will rotate, and what is the resultant picture you get will definitely be a cone. Will definitely be a cone. Okay, where what are the dimensions of the cone here? Okay, this 3, the side which was 3 will represent the height. Okay, and the side which was 4, okay, will be moving like the radius. Okay, so the 4 side will become the radius and the side corresponding to 3 will be the height. Question is, what is the volume of the cone so formed? Simple question. Volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. That becomes 1 by 3 pi r square h. R is 4. 4 square into h. H is 3. 3 cancelled. 16 pi should be the answer. 16 pi should be the answer. Correct answer is option number C. Correct answer is option number C, 16 pi. The very correct answer is option number C, that is the 16 pi. And let's get ready for the next question. How many degrees do the R and rotate from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m.? Within every 1 hour, okay, within every 1 hour, R and will rotate. See, it will, R and will have one complete rotation in 12 hours, because all these analog clock are 12 hour clocks. Okay, so this, R and will do the one full rotation, that is 360 degree, but that is in 12 hours. Okay, that is in 12 hours. So how many in 1 hour? That's going to be 30 degree per hour. Okay, so 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. What should be my answer? 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. These are 6 hours corresponding to 6 into 30, 180 degree. 180 degree, answer is D. Okay. Answer is D, 180. Okay. Okay, Tunagar will try to do so. Yes, correct answer is a simple one. Answer is option number D. What time between 7 and 8 o'clock R and minute hand make 180 degree angle? Now, angle between the hands of the clock, you should direct through, because this is a very common question. Okay, we can solve step by step also, but angle between, this should be known to you directly. Okay, the R and the minute hand, angle between HH, this is the R hand and the minute hand. This is minute hand, this is R hand. Okay, theta is given by what formula? Is given by what formula? You can always put down this as 30h minus 11 by 2m modulus of this. Modulus of 30h minus 11 by 2m. Okay, so now the time is between 7 and 8 o'clock. At what time between 7 and 8 o'clock there will be 180-degree angle. So what is the time? Between 7 and 8 o'clock means 7 hours and some minutes. That is what the option is also. Okay, it is 7 hours and suppose m minutes. Okay, it is 7 hours and m minutes. Okay, so what is the theta required? 30 into h should be 7 minus 11 by 2m. Modulus of this is required theta. Theta is 180-degree. Theta is 180-degree required, correct? Yes. Okay, so now 210 minus 11 by 2m. Okay, magnitude of this number is 180. Modulus of this number is 180. So actual number, if I remove the mod, may be plus or minus 180-degree. The modulus is 180, so the actual number may be plus or minus 180, because for both plus or minus 180, the magnitude is 180 only. Okay, so here from this, let me solve. 11 by 2m. 11 by 2m is 210 minus plus 180 degrees. So two possibilities are there. 210 plus 180, 390 or 30. Okay, so let me solve it here. What do I have here? 11 by 2m is equal to how much? 390 or 30. Okay, whether both are correct or not, you will understand quickly. So m is equal to 390 into 2, 780 divided by 11 or 60 divided by 11. Now 780 by 11, this is wrong, because 780 by 11 is clearly greater than 60 also. It is greater than 70 actually, but if the minutes are greater than 60, that becomes the next hour. That will become 8 hours and something, but I am looking for the time between 7 and 8. Okay, so very clearly this is wrong, because this is greater than 60. Okay, the minutes going greater than 60, the minutes being greater than 60 will be wrong. Okay, so the correct answer, okay, is the 60 by 11. Very clearly 5 point something, need not exactly calculate, 5 point something. So correct answer has to be B only. Okay, I'll take 5.45 as per the option. The correct answer is B, 5.45. Correct answer is option number B, 5.45, right? Okay. Next, find the missing numbers in the series. Okay, simple one only. Tell me, find the missing numbers in the series. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, find the missing numbers in the series 4, 27, 14, 10. So this simple one. See, if I look into these numbers now, 4, 7, 10. If I look into alternate numbers, this is clearly AP with the difference of 3. Okay, 20, 14, 8. So this is also AP. AP can be decreasing also. No? Common difference is negative with D equal to minus 6. So 6, 6 is reducing. Okay, and every other alternate term 3, 3 is increasing. Okay, so by that here, what you should get is 13 plus 3 equal to 16, and what you should get here is 8 further reduce 6, 2. So next two terms are 2 and 16. Next two terms are 2 and 16. Correct answer is option number C. Yeah, simple one. Correct answer Chinna, Ashok, Saideep, Hari. Okay. Signal and system part 2 is tomorrow Monday 6 p.m. Signal and system part 2 is tomorrow Monday 6 p.m. Okay, next question. In a certain language, Noida is coded as OPJAB. How is Delhi coded in that language? Noida is coded as OPJEB. Okay. What is the code of corresponding letter? If you find, then the question is solved. It's a coding question. It's a coding and decoding based question. Okay, let's take it up. Coding and decoding based question. Correct. So now if you just notice A, B, next letter, D, E, again the next letter, I, J, O, P and N, O. All these are just next letter. All this is just the next letter. Okay, so if this is the coding system, how is Delhi coded? If this is the coding system, how is Delhi coded? Okay, so D, next letter E, E, next letter F, L, so I, J, K, L, M, next is M, H, I, J. So it should be E, F, M, I, J. It should be E, F, M, I, J. Correct answer is option number B. Okay, yes, Sujan, Saideep, correct answer. Okay. That's what I told Anil. Signal and System Part 2 tomorrow, Monday, 6 p.m. Monday at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, so correct answer is E, F, M, I, J, option number B. Okay, let's be ready for the next question then. Given that A is the father of B, okay, a blood relation question, C is the daughter of A, D is the sister of E is the son of B, who is the grandfather of D, okay, and if you just try to make the connection between words, this puzzle will, usually become complicated for you. So what can I do here? Okay, what can I do here? Just make the family tree. A is the father, B is the child. So father to child, go down, and whenever it is a male, like father of course is male, okay, we put a box for male, and if it is a female, we'll put a circle. These are the standard notations. A is the father of B. Okay, so A is the father means male. B's gender is not known by the first statement. So I'm not making any circle or box here. C is the daughter of A. Okay, C is the daughter of A. Now see, A is the father of B, B is the child, C is the daughter of same person A. Okay, C is the daughter, of course, first of all, circle, daughter. Okay, daughter of A. Now B is also child, son or daughter, I don't know, but C is also the daughter. So these two are what? These two are siblings. They are known as siblings, brother or brother sister, or maybe sister. Okay, they are siblings. Okay, siblings, the real brothers or sisters, they are siblings. So okay, B and C are the child of the same parent. Okay, and C is the daughter, so daughter means female, so I've put a circle. D is the sister of E, but where is D, where is E, nothing known. But E, I have some information on E. E is the son of B. Son of B, again parent to child, go down. Okay, E is the son of B, and son means box. This is E. E is the son of B. Son means male, na? Clear. Okay, but again gender of B is yet not known. Next, D is the sister of E. D is the sister. Sister means female, and sister means sibling. So sibling means dash. Okay, so parent to child down, siblings dash. If there is a marriage relation, suppose A is married to B, then A equal to B. Then A equal to B relation. Just a second. Okay, yeah, sorry for the interruption. So who is the grandfather of D? Of course, grandfather, father of father. Okay, two levels ahead. Father of father or father of mother. Both cases of grandfather is there. Okay, but yeah, two levels above. Okay, so parent is one level above, grandparents two level above. So for D, two level above, A is the grandfather. Very clear. Correct answer is option number D. That is grandfather is A. Yeah, I was telling you that if there is a marriage notation, then we represent A equal to B. Okay. This is marriage. A dash B, siblings, and A arrow down B is the parent to child relation. These are some codes to be noted. Okay, so it becomes simple to solve blood relation question. Box means male and circle means female. These are some standard ways to represent and to solve the question. Okay, hope that is clear to you. Let's be ready for the next question. Yeah, basic arrangement question. A basic arrangement question. Pooja is older than Mukesh, Suresh is older than Pooja, and Mukesh is older than Suresh. If the first two statements are true, then the third statement. First two statements are true. That is what is given. Okay, so Pooja is older than Mukesh, Suresh is older than Pooja. Okay, combining these two, Suresh is older than Pooja. Older means greater in age, and Pooja is greater than Mukesh. Okay. Now, Mukesh is older than Suresh. This is wrong, na? This becomes opposite. Okay. Mukesh is older than Suresh. No, Mukesh is elder. Elder than Suresh. Mukesh is elder than Suresh. Okay, if the first two statements are true, then the third is definitely false. Okay, Mukesh is older than Suresh. No, this becomes false. If the first two are true, definitely third is false. Yes? Got this? Arrangement and a true or false knowledge.
Mukesh is older than
A true or false knowledge with the arrangement. Right? Okay, let's move ahead to the next question. Again, something on arrangement. Okay, but a numerical arrangement, a numerical value to be discussed. So please do solve it up and let me know what is the possible answer for this. Okay, and if you are getting the answers, if you are enjoying the session, do not forget to put your attendance. Your attendance is as simple as a like button. Do not forget to put your attendance. Do like the session and put down your attendance. Okay. At the baseball game, Peter was sitting in the seat 255. Maria was sitting to the right of Peter. Okay, so Peter is at 255. Let us say the counting starts from here. Okay, and this is Peter. Okay, let's say this is the front. They are facing like this. Okay, now Maria was sitting to the right. Okay, so right 256. This is Maria. Okay, in the seat 256, of course. Tom was sitting in the seat to the left of Peter. So to the left of Peter, of course, what comes is 254. And who is sitting there? Tom. Okay, Tom was sitting in the seat left of Peter. John was sitting to the left of Tom. John was sitting to the left of Tom. That becomes 253. This is left side, right? 253. John was sitting left of Tom. In which seat John was sitting? 253. Simple question. Sometimes there can be very simple numerical arrangement. Very, very simple numerical arrangement will be there. Okay. Done? Eh?
And who is sitting?
Let's go with the next question then. Let's go with the next question. 7 people are sitting in a row with equidistant to each other. All of them face towards north. Okay, so let us say this is north. And then there are 7 people. All of them are facing here. Okay, and they are sitting in a row. It's a row, linear arrangement only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 at equidistance to each other. Okay, facing towards north. R is second to the left of W. But where is W? Okay, I don't know. But wherever is W, R is second to the left. Okay, so there is one person in between them. 3 people sit between W and U. U sits second to the left of Q. P sits second to the left of T. Okay, and 3 people sit between P and S also. W does not sit adjacent to S. Okay, so now R sits second to the left of W. Okay, W does not sit adjacent to S, and there are 3 people between W and Q. There are 3 between W and Q, and also R is second to the left of W. R is second to the left of W, and there are 3 people between W and Q. Okay, so 3 people between W and Q, na? So like if I take any 3, okay, let me read something more. U sits second to the left of Q. Okay, second to the left of Q. P sits second to the left of T, and 3 people sit between P and S. So there can be multiple cases that can be formed. R is second to the left of W. Okay, so let me try. Okay, one possibility. R is second to the left of W. Okay, suppose this is W. R is second to the left. Okay, now why I am taking W here? R is second to the left, so there is one person between W and R. Okay, should I take W here? No, no, because there are 3 people between W and Q. So I have to leave 3 positions. If I take W here, no 3 positions will be there. That is one just possibility. We will see if this doesn't follow. So there are 3 people between what? W and Q. I'm just going ahead with this. Okay, so R is second to the left of W written. 3 people between W and Q satisfied. U sits second to the left of Q. U is second to the left of Q. If this is Q, U is second to the left. Okay, this is left side, na? So U is second to the left. Okay, not immediate left, second to the left. P sits second to the left of T. P sits second to the left. Okay, now second to the left means one is there in between. Between what? Between P and T. Okay, so P and T can be here also, can be here also. Let's wait. 3 people between P and S. Okay. 3 people between P and S, so P definitely cannot come up here, because if P comes here, 1, 2, 3, okay, where will be S? No, not possible. 1, 2, 3, S not possible. So P cannot come up here. Okay, so P is either here or here. But P is second to the left of P. P will be here only. Okay, P is second to the left of T, and then there are 3 persons between P and S. There are 3 people between P, S, N. 1, 2, 3, and then this goes S. As of now, all conditions are satisfied. W does not sit adjacent to S, correct? W is not adjacent to S, automatically satisfied. How many people between S and Q? How many people between S and Q? Correct answer is D. This one was a little good question. The correct answer is option number D. Between S and Q, actually there are no people. They are adjacent, and how many people between S and Q is 0. Okay, is 0. This is a good question. This one is a relatively good question on arrangement. Okay. So guys, once again, a very quick reminder that, just today, 7 July, in next another 1 hour, it's almost 12, and yes, at 1 p.m, your full mock test 2, okay, for the GENCO examination will be live. Yes, correct answer, Srijan, Hari and Ashok. Okay, yes, Revant, correct answer for the previous ones. Okay, so guys, do not forget to appear, because next week your GENCO exam is there, and this will give you a complete feel of how you are preparing, also a feel of exam, timing based exam, and especially your preparation, your shortcomings. If there is some specific areas where you can improve, you have still 1 week. Okay, and this is a free online test, so do not forget to register here and appear at 1 p.m. You can just open the QR scanner of your mobile code, scan this and start appearing in this. Okay, so guys, the next offline regular batch for the GATE examination starts tomorrow, Monday, 8th of July. Okay, the fee 66,000, currently priced at 55,000. Okay, with 50% discounts for IIT and NIT students, 50% for OMOL students, and 30% for Triple IT and state government students as well. Okay, and online live batch, guys, the next online live batch 9th July. Okay, that is 9th of July. Okay, Tuesday, the next online live batch. The fees, gate 25, 29,999 is currently priced as 19,999, and for 2 years it is 28,999. Okay, so if you can't travel to Hyderabad for offline batch, then you can also attend our online live batch. Same set of faculty, same content, same best quality. Okay, you can attend and watch anywhere at any time from your respective places. Okay, that's it guys from my side. Okay, and also before I move forward, okay, let me give the password for today's PDF. Okay, yesterday's PDF and today's PDF both will be in my Telegram group. So what is the password for today's it's 0. The answer for the previous question was 0, and the password of the PDF will also be 0, ZERO. Okay, so please do note down this password, because only the PDFs can be accessed through the password. I will share you the PDF in my Telegram group that will be having the password, everything in small, ZERO. Everything in the small, ZERO. Okay. Chalo guys, that's it for this session from my side. I, Rakesh Tilreja, now signing off. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe, and yes, do appear in the test series quickly. Bye bye.